Hindi namin din-discount yung possibility, pero sa ngayon, pinipilit naman talaga natin na mapabilis at matapos, no, ma-expedited proseso. In fact, just earlier this afternoon, in-announce na rin ng Clerk of Court, I'm sure upon consulting both the defense and the prosecution, that pati yung Article 2, kasi ngayon isang table lang yung marking ng Article 2, magiging dalawang table na, no, for tomorrow. So that should help expedite the process.
Siguro just to add to what Mike said, no, yung ginagawa nating activity ngayon, which is the pre-marking of evidence, ang objective natin dito, kailangan maintindihan ng mga nanonood, is really to expedite the proceedings and not to cause further delays. So although it's appearing that it's taking time, that remains to be objective of this activity.
Pero attorney, sabi po ng prosecution, cause of delay daw po sa marking of exhibits, yung defense team dahil kulang daw po sa lawyers' reactions.
Actually, I was there personally, and the opposite is true. The opposite is true. It was actually the private prosecutors who lacked a certain personnel for the marking of the exhibits. Siguro hindi lang naintindihan masyado ni Representative Luis ito kasi hindi naman sila nagpa-participate buong araw. No? So they just appear in the morning and then they leave, and then they leave the rest of the task to the private prosecutors who are handling the case. So siguro we are in the best position to deny that claim, and we are saying now that we are not undermanned and we are complying with all the directives by the impeachment court.
Precisely anong kulang ng prosec, sir? Sorry.
Yung claim na undermanned, we never experienced that. I think it was one of the private prosecutors, yung firms that claimed that.